Riri kigomano kigie ciana gitanyitwo kwambiriria muthenya wa ruciu. Riboti igie uthuthuria uria ukoretwo gitafanio wigie kwagararwo kwa ihoto cia ciana ni irekereirio. Uthuthuria uria ukoretwo gitafanio kuma mwaka wa 2010 nginyagia mwaka wa 2019. Hari riboti ya mwaka wa 2010 yonanitie ati gicunji kia 80 gia ciana ihoto ciao ni ciagararagwo, no riboti iria yacokire kurekererio mwaka wa 2019 ikionania namba ino ni yacokete thi kurumirira mitaratara iria thirikari yarĩire. Ona gutuika gukinyeria riu ihoto cia ciana no iragararwo. Mwandiki MUKARU ministry-ini ya Uthuthuria Joseph MOTARI akiuga imwe cia ciana ikoretwo ikihahamwo kimwiri ni aciari ao, akiuga kurekererio kwa riboti ino umuthi ni undu guteithia thirikari hari kunyitia kamba makiria hari ugitiri wa ciana. Guku akiruta mukana muhiu kuri amwe a maabitha borithi aria makoretwo makihithania ciiko cia uhahami wa ciana.
We are going to make sure that we even strengthen it now that we have the Children Act in place and now we have the survey report in place, what is happening outside there with our children. So I'm saying that anybody who will be found on that, and you can be sure will face the full force of the law.
Mworoto munene wa gutafanio uthuthuria uyu ni gukurana mamwe ma maundu maria mateithitie hari kunyihia ciiko ici, na oho guteithia kwarira mitaratara makiria, kuona maita maingi muingi ndwitikagira kwaria maundu mamwe ta uhahami wa ciana, undu uria urabatarania unyitaniri munene.
People think our community is still not comfortable talking about sexual violence, and when it happens, the victim is victimized. Why did you go out? Why were you wearing a small dress? Why were you with boys?
Joseph Adomi akiuga kuri na gicunji kinene gia ciana iria iri icagi-ini cia Nairobi ikoretwo ikiingirio uhuthiri-ini na thogori-ini ya dawa cia kurefia. Guku nake Samuel Smith, president wa gikundi gia Kenya Children Assembly, akiuria thirikari guikia ndurumeni kona ciothe cia bururi, muno icagi-ini kuri ihoto cia ciana ciagararagwo na njira nene, ta ciana kuimwo mweke wa guthoma, ciana cia iritu kuhikithio tene na kugimario kia hinya.
There are children there in the marginalized areas and remote areas that also face a lot of violence. In fact, they're the people who should be prioritized the most.
We have even children, because of drugs, allowed to engage in drug trafficking in some of the slum areas, distorting their lives, and many of them are not in school.
Girifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.